And every time you fall, promise yourself that you will rise up stronger, better, and the best version of yourself. That's all that you have to do. Students don't say that my mother is a huge fan. I am a huge fan. Yes, we just spoke and I asked her if she would like to come to the NIFT campuses and she instantly said yes. So I think that is something, yes, I want a big round of applause for that. And the one thing that I really, really liked and appreciated was that when I said, which ones do you want to go to? I have 19. Which one would you want to go to? She said, all. First. And then I said, okay, but where do we start? She said, send me to the smallest one you have. Campus where most celebrities like her may not want to go, you understand? So it's easier for us to get guests for Delhi, Hyderabad, Bombay, Kolkata, Chennai. I find difficulty having people like you come for Daman or Raebareli or Shillong. And she's agreed to come to all 19. So I am really, really, really thankful to you.
Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much, and we're really, really honored to have you.